X-ray production. X-rays are a type of radiation called electromagnetic waves. X-ray imaging creates pictures of inside of your body. In 1895, X-ray were discovered by German physicist Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. Coolidge tube. The Coolidge tube was an early apparatus used to produce X-ray for treating cancer. It was invented by William Coolidge in 1913 to improve reliability of previous X-ray. Anode. The anode is the component of the X-ray tube, where X-ray are produced. It is piece of tungsten metal, shaped in the form of a beveled disc with diameter between 55 mm and 100 mm and attached to copper rod because conduction of heat and potential while hot condition. Cathode. In the Coolidge tube, the electrons are produced by thermionic effect from a tungsten filament heated by electric current. The filament is the cathode of the tube.
Cooling system. A liquid heat exchanger system cools the coolant in a liquid circuit by the use of liquid-to-air heat exchanger. X-rays are produced in a standard way by heating a filament, which releases electron by thermionic emission, accelerating electrons with a high voltage and allowing them to collide with the focal spot on the anode. X-rays are produced via two interaction in anode.